Hello everyone, this is Anand with 360 IT Academy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work with Azure Bastion. Azure Bastion is a PaaS solution that is newly introduced within Azure. Basically, it's like a jump host. Jump host is basically a server to which we connect to. It's the only server that we connect to from the public network to inside our network, and from there you can connect inside. The idea is not to open all your servers to the public network and just have just one server that is open to so that we can connect to that server. From that server we can connect to our to the inside of the network. Now the new thing that is introduced with Bastion, Azure Bastion, is that this is basically an HTML5 browser service. So basically the users from the outside of the network, they will be connecting. They won't be using, they don't have to use RDP and SSH sessions to the servers, so Azure Bastion works through port 443. It's a secure port on HTML5. So and the other advantage in using Azure Bastion, that we don't have to open port 80 or SSH 5 to the public network. Now so this is how it looks like. So users connect through Azure portal, and from there they connect to on port 443 to Azure Bastion, and from there, once they are connected, they can use port 80, port 3389 or 22, which is RDP and SSH session, to the inside network. So these ports are not exposed to the outside to the public network. So in the lab, how we are going to configure Azure Bastion is, so we can create a VNet with the name 360IT VNet01 with a default subnet, and then we will create a VM 360IT VM1 in the same default subnet. In terms of Azure Bastion, we need to create a subnet with the name specific to, the name will be Azure Bastion subnet, and it will be in this VNet that we created. So there will be two subnets, and then we can connect to our VM through Azure Bastion. So let's configure this lab, and I'll show you how to use Azure Bastion.